Hello everyone. Welcome to Joint's English class. I'm Join, and today is day 1 of your journey to speak English in just 7 days. Listen. If you think English is difficult, if you feel shy to speak, if you don't know where to start, this series is for you. By the end of this video, you will be able to introduce yourself, say basic sentences, start speaking English today, yesterday, not tomorrow. Let's start with simple sentences. Repeat after me. Don't just listen. I am ready. Pause the video, say it again. I can speak English. Pause the video, say it again. I am learning English. Pause the video, say it again. Very good. Now say it faster with me. I am ready. I can speak English. I am learning English. Great job. Now, let's learn how to introduce yourself. Listen first. My name is Join. Repeat this after me. I am from Ethiopia. Repeat this after me. I am a student. Repeat this after me. Now combine everything. My name is Join. I am from Ethiopia. I am a teacher. Say it loudly. These sentences are used every day. Repeat after me. How are you? Pause the video, say it again. I am fine. Pause the video, say it again. Thank you. Pause the video, say it again. Nice to meet you. Pause the video, say it again. Now full conversation. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Practice this 3 times today. Now listen carefully. The biggest problem is not grammar. The problem is fear. So say this with me. I am not afraid to speak English. Again. I will practice every day. Again. I will improve. This is how you grow. Excellent work. Today you learned basic English sentences, how to introduce yourself, daily conversation. This is just day 1. Tomorrow, day 2, you will learn how to make longer sentences easily if you want to speak English fluently. Subscribe now, like this video, comment. Day 1 done. I will see you in day 2. Bye for now.